Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Somebody asked me a pretty good question. They're trying to make this shape with two tools. One of them is they're going to use the star tool set on 8-sided. And then they're trying to bring this up where it's really, and I've done this before where you pick, let me zoom in here, and it's not that big a deal, but you pick that corner, and then because this is a polygon and it's going to do that, that's pretty good. It might not be 100% correct. Now, if you go to a polygon, it's the same scenario. Where do you stop? And that's not even basically it. Well, that's a 6-sided. We probably need a 8-sided. But where do you stop and get it to get it perfect? Because you can move it quite a bit. So the simplest way to make this shape, and it's so easy, there is a 4-sided polygon. I'm going to Control D, it's a square, and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. And then I'm going to select them both, and I am going to weld it. And this cannot be any more accurate. If we look at the one I tried to line up, that's not perfectly on the line. So you could play around with it till you get it perfectly on the line. But if we look at the one I created with a square, it's perfectly on the line all the way around. So to make that shape, now there's other ones like 6-sided polygons that you could probably do with a triangle. I'm going to work on that and kind of look into it, but that's the easiest way to make this shape. Anyway, I hope this helped them, and thank you for watching.